Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the profile template and explore its contents. To install Profile, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, employees can showcase themselves to your organisation with the profile page. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select Licenses and Certification. This has been pre-configured with properties to store data for documented qualifications. The Certification Organisation model contains properties to store data on the certifying body awarding the qualification. The certification model is used to document the qualification itself, awarded by an organisation to the employee. The language model contains properties to store data on languages, such as greeting and language code. The person language model stores data on an employee's spoken languages and their proficiency. The school model stores data on educational institutions. The person education model stores the employee's time in education, school, degree, and more. The work experience model stores a user's work history. The feedback model stores performance feedback. And the skill model stores skills and certifications. The workflows in this template relate to certifications. The workflow has been configured to detect when a certification has expired and send the owner an email notification of its expiry. This workflow will notify the owner 7 days before a certification is due to expire, and this workflow triggers when the expiry date for a certification is known. It sets an expires chip for the item. Now head to the Pages section to check out more template content. Locate and select the profile page. This is one of the two main pages of the template. Here you will see content blocks relating to the models we just talked about, like work experience and skills. In this example, we're switching to the view of an employee, Demi Hart. Select Edit Your Profile. This opens the Edit Your Profile page in a modal window. Select Edit to open the relevant pages in a modal window, allowing you to complete your profile. About You will open the Bio, Contact, Skills and Mobility page in a modal window. Before you can complete the Skills field, you will need to first populate the Skills page with relevant items. To add a skill, select Add. This will open the skill page in a modal window. So that your users can select a certification name and issuing organisation, you will need to add a certifying organisation and certification on the certifications page. Selecting Add on the certifying organisations block will open the certifying organisation page in a modal window. Similarly, Add on the certifications block will open the certification page. Before your users can enter their languages, you will need to populate the languages page. Here select Add to enter data. This will open the language page in a modal window. Before your users can enter education information, you will need to populate the schools page. To add a school, select Add. This opens the school page in a modal window. We've signed in with another user so we can leave Demi some feedback. Select Give Feedback. This opens the Give Feedback page in a modal window. Once you select Publish Feedback, The comment is added to their profile page and the feedback moderation page. An administrator can edit or remove the comment by selecting it. This opens the Give Feedback page in a modal window. A complete employee profile should look something like this. In this example, we have used the badge cabinet template to award badges. We created the image files in Adobe Creative Suite. Now, as a super user, head over to the menu section to check out more new content. The template adds the person menu and profile edit menu. Make any changes you need to fit your organisation's requirements. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.